take a risk here, nothing to fear. Come on down to Creation Station with me.
Hi everyone, it's Morah Stefanie here. I'm so glad you decided to join me today at Creation Station. Now before we get started, I thought I'd share a tip from one artist to another. Sometimes trying new things can be hard, and the creations don't always turn out the way we want them to. But that's okay. Just keep trying and do your best. You can always take a break if you need. The most important part is that you have fun. Now, let's move on to our creation. Okay, what are we going to create today? Well, since it's Chanukah, I thought we'd do a Chanukah drawing challenge. Do you like to draw? I love to draw. So here I have a menorah. Have you ever drawn a menorah before? How would you even get started? If you have an artist's eye, it means you look at the real world and notice all of the colors and shapes and lines in everything you see. Let's take a closer look at our menorah and find some lines and shapes in our menorah. Okay, everyone, so what's a line anyway? Well, you've got straight lines going across and straight lines going down. You've got wavy and zigzag, and sometimes you even have arches, like the rainbow or an upside down rainbow arch. Yeah, those are lines. What about shapes? Do you know any? Do you know the triangle with 3 sides and 3 corners? Do you know the circle with no sides and no corners? It just goes round and round. What about the square? That one has 4 sides and 4 corners. Very good. Now that we know lines and shapes, let's look at our menorah again. Do you see any lines and shapes? What about now? Let's break it down into its parts. In the middle, we have the shamash. Is that a line or a shape? That's the helper candle that stands taller in the middle than all the other candles. Yeah, it's just a line going up and down. What about the base? Is that a line or a shape? You got it. It's a triangle with 3 corners and 3 sides. Very good. Last part, the candle holders, 4 on each side. How do we make that? Well, everyone, those are lines. Those are the upside down rainbow arch lines. How many do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The one on the bottom is the biggest one, and the one in the middle is the smallest one. Very good, everyone. And when you take the menorah away, you just have our lines and shapes left. It's pretty simple. Let's go back and try it together. Okay, let's go. Grab your paper, grab your marker. Let's start with a line down the middle. That's going to hold our shamash, or our helper candle. Next comes the menorah base. Yep, it's a triangle. 1 side, 2 side, 3 sides. 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's put our candle holders in. We've got an upside down rainbow arch, a small one in the middle, and 1 more under that, and then a 3rd, and our biggest one on the bottom. Here we go. Very good. Don't forget the shamash candle holder is higher than all the other ones. Grab your yellow light and make some fire on top of each one if you want. 4 on each side and 1 shamash helper candle in the middle. Don't forget, guys, you can pause at any time if you need to catch up. I'm going to decorate with blue, I think. Let's put some stripes in there. Maybe cross it in both ways. You can design it any way you want. All kinds of designs. Use your imagination, use color. Make it your own. It's fun. And that's it. Great job, everyone. Would you like to see how my menorah came out? It's fun. I would love to see how your menorah came out. If you want to, you can have your mom and dad take a picture of it and send it to my email address. Now on for our next challenge. Let's draw a dreidel. Let's take a closer look at the dreidel to find its lines and shapes. Okay, everyone, so here is our dreidel. Do you remember the lines and shapes we learned about? Do you notice any lines and shapes in our dreidel? How about now? There you are. Let's break those down. At the top, we have a line. That's what holds our dreidel up and lets us spin it. Then the body of the dreidel is what shape? Yeah, a square. Very good. The bottom of the dreidel is pointy. You got it. It's an upside down triangle. And the last itty bitty part is the letters on the dreidel. Our letter here is the letter nun. That's just a line going across, and a line going down, and another line going across on the bottom. And when you put it all together, that's what you've got. A nun letter on a dreidel. Let's go back and see if we can do it together. Okay, let's take our blue marker for our blue dreidel and start with the body of the dreidel. In the middle is a square shape that's 4 sides and 4 corners. Then at the top, remember, just a little line so we can spin it. And on the bottom, a triangle shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. And don't forget the letter nun in the middle, a line across, a line down, and another line across on the bottom. Now, how would you like to decorate it? Pick a color, pick a design. I think I'll choose orange. Maybe some lines and stripes, this way and that. Use your imagination. There are no rules. Make it fun, whichever way you like it. That's all there is to it. Great job, everyone. You did it again. Wow, it was fun drawing a dreidel. Here's how mine came out. Do you want to show me your dreidel? If you do, just have your mom and dad take a picture of it and send it to my email address. I hope you'll come back to Creation Station and we'll create something new again. Bye.